If the universe began, what existed to make it possible? The question of what existed before or to make the universe possible is one of the deepest and most profound in science and philosophy. The conventional model, known as the Big Bang theory, explains the origin of the universe as a rapid expansion from a singularity, an infinitely dense point, approximately 13.8 billion years ago. However, this raises the question of what caused the Big Bang, and what, if anything, existed before it. Here are some perspectives to consider. The Big Bang theory and singularity. The Big Bang theory posits that the universe began from an extremely hot, dense point called a singularity about 13.8 billion years ago. In this singularity, all space, time, and matter were compressed into a point of infinite density. This means that time and space as we understand them did not exist before the Big Bang. According to this theory, the beginning of the universe was not a traditional explosion in space, but rather an expansion of space itself. This singularity is a mathematical concept where the laws of physics as we know them break down, and therefore, it's not clear what existed before or at that singularity in any conventional sense. The very idea of time itself is thought to have started with the Big Bang. Quantum fluctuations and vacuum states. Quantum mechanics suggests that in the quantum vacuum, even empty space is not truly empty. Instead, it's filled with fluctuating fields and particles popping in and out of existence. These quantum fluctuations could potentially explain how the universe emerged. Some physicists hypothesize that the universe could have spontaneously arisen from a quantum vacuum state, where fluctuations in the energy field led to the creation of particles and, eventually, the entire cosmos. In this framework, nothing before the Big Bang might not have been truly void but rather a form of quantum potential, a state where everything, space, time, matter, energy, could have been in a form of potentiality rather than actuality. The concept of nothing. Philosophers and physicists debate the concept of nothing. In a classical sense, nothing could mean a complete void, absence of space, time, matter, and energy. However, modern physics complicates this idea. For example, quantum field theory tells us that even in empty space, there are fluctuating fields and particles popping in and out of existence, implying that nothing may not truly be empty. Some theories of the multiverse suggest that our universe could be one of many, each with different physical constants and laws. If this is true, the nothing that existed before our universe could be a part of a larger cosmic framework that involves other universes, potentially with different dimensions of space and time. Cyclic models, Big Bounce, and eternal universes. Cyclic models propose that the universe undergoes an eternal cycle of creation and destruction. For instance, in the Big Bounce theory, the universe could have gone through infinite cycles of expansion and contraction. In this case, the universe we observe today might have originated from the collapse of a previous universe, which itself might have been preceded by another cycle. Steady-state theory, a once popular but now largely discounted idea, suggested that the universe has always existed in roughly the same form, with new matter continuously created to maintain a constant density as the universe expands. The role of cosmological laws. The very idea of the universe beginning implies the existence of time and the laws of physics, such as gravity and thermodynamics. It's possible that the laws governing the cosmos, like gravity, electromagnetism, and quantum mechanics, emerged with the Big Bang. The nature of these laws may have been shaped by unknown factors at the universe's origin. The multiverse hypothesis. Another idea is that our universe is just one of many in a multiverse, a vast collection of universes, each with different physical laws, constants, and properties. In this scenario, our universe might have emerged from a larger multiversal context, where quantum processes or other mechanisms created distinct universes, each with its own set of rules. This suggests that the conditions for the existence of our universe were part of a broader cosmic landscape. What existed before our universe could be another universe or part of a larger multiverse framework. Philosophical and theological views. Some religious or philosophical views argue that the origin of the universe can only be explained through a divine cause. According to many religious traditions, the universe was created by a god or a divine entity. In this view, the question, what existed before the universe, might not apply, as God or the divine being could exist outside of time and space, creating the universe from nothing. This perspective treats the universe as the result of an intentional, possibly eternal act by a conscious creator. Some theological views suggest that the creation of the universe is not a random event but a purposeful design. Conclusion: the question of what existed to make the universe possible is complex and still unresolved. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe began from a singularity, and time itself began with this event. Some quantum theories propose that the universe arose from quantum fluctuations in a vacuum. Alternatively, cyclic and multiverse theories suggest our universe could be part of an eternal cycle or one among many universes. Philosophically and theologically, some argue that a higher, divine cause could be behind the universe's origin. Ultimately, the true answer may lie beyond our current understanding of physics, space, and time.